In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use direct emailing options in Jotform tables. Jotform is a powerful tool for managing your forms and the data collected from them, but did you know you can directly email from within Jotform tables? I'm here to walk you through the exact steps to make this process as seamless as possible. First, you'll need to go to jotform.com. On the main website, you'll see the sign in page. You have the flexibility to sign in using Google, Microsoft, or even just your email address and password. This streamlined login process ensures you get started quickly and efficiently. Once you're logged in, navigate to the table you wish to work with. To do this, look for the Jotform logo at the upper left corner of your screen. Click the drop-down menu next to it. From this menu, select My Tables. This action will guide you to a list of all your saved tables. Next, find the specific table you want to modify and click on View Table. This will open your table, allowing you to work with the entries inside. Now that you're inside your desired table, your next step is to access the inline submission menu. To do this, locate the kebab or three vertical dots icon, which is conveniently placed near the select box and star icon of the submission you want to manage. If you prefer, you can also right-click to open the same menu. With the inline submission menu open, you'll see options like reply and forward. Choose whichever function fits your need. Remember, this versatile menu is also available at the top of the page. Just find the three vertical dots icon, which is snugly situated between the delete and download buttons on the upper right corner. You can access the same reply or forward options from here. These features are not only convenient, but they're also crucial for maintaining communication with your form respondents directly through Jotform. If you need to view a single submission in greater detail, hover your mouse over the entry and hit the View button. In the single submission view, the kebab icon once again becomes available, sitting at the upper right corner of the page, waiting for you to utilize the reply or forward functions. A small but noteworthy difference exists between these two options. The to box is automatically filled with the submitter's email address when you choose reply, which can save you time. However, if you opt for forward, this field will be empty, allowing you the opportunity to input a different email address. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of how to take advantage of direct emailing options within Jotform tables. Whether you need to respond to entries or forward information, these tools provide you the flexibility to manage interactions efficiently without ever having to leave Jotform. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.